Okay guys, I now want to show you what multi-dimensional arrays are. Now, multi-dimensional arrays are a really good feature. Let me try and explain it in a way you'll understand. You know, like tile games, like tile-based games such as, for example, Minesweeper. They're a perfect example of when you could use a multi-dimensional array. So, for example, let's do this. Go char map 20, 20. That's a multi-dimensional array. So we define a variable that is named map. It's an array that holds arrays. So it holds 20 arrays that contain 20 bytes. So this allows us to do things like this. Map 0, 0 equals 50. And you notice how we don't have to pass this. The reason for that is because all that this does is converts it into its numeric type based on the ASCII table, which you should definitely look up. So A, I think, is decimal 65. Anyway, so you know, you can literally do things like this, and that is what multi-dimensional arrays are. So, you know, it might be map y, x for coordinates, and you would have a y variable and an x variable that you would define somewhere up here, for example. And you can also define variables like this, by the way, on the same line. So we define two variables, one called y, one called x, and they're both equal to 30. So yeah, that's multi-dimensional arrays, and this can go on forever. We can even have a third dimension or a fourth. You can keep adding to it. So that's multi-dimensional arrays for you, very much like arrays apart from they're multi-dimensional, which means they're great for things like coordinate systems. You know, two of these could be used to represent x and y values, x and y coordinates. So that's multi-dimensional arrays for you.